last night my vlogging camera broke.
See?
I dropped it off the table.
What it is. Last night you broke.
They broke it by distracting me, and I dropped it off the table.
I was asleep on the bed. Asleep.
I was so frustrated that I didn't watch the Christmas movie, nor did I prepare the French toast casserole for this morning. So we're running late, but it's all good.
Just go this way. It's a small little area.
So today we're not doing much. The kids have already opened their gift cards because that's what Santa has decided to bring for the past 2 years because they wanted cash. So we will go through our Christmas list and you either narrow them down or modify them just a little bit. Modify. And we will go shopping between tomorrow and Friday to get all of their Christmas gifts. So really Christmas will be on Friday. It's today, but they'll get all of the things that they want on Friday. And it has worked out for the last 2 years. The kids love it. We love it because it makes it easy to work with Santa. So now we're getting ready to make our French toast casserole. Oh, they didn't have eggs? So Santa came last night and Jack met him. And Santa left us a little note. It says, yummy. You want to read it, buddy?
Yummy. Thank you for making these for my journey. You've all been splendid. See you next year. Love, Santa.
Love, Santa. Woo! He ate his cookies. The praline pecan cookies that we made yesterday. And his cocoa. Today we'll do the sugar cookies and we'll decorate them just to have some cocoa later on today.
And we're doing the gingerbread houses.
Yes, we are.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go.
For our French toast casserole, we decided to go with a French loaf.
We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing?
So I've sliced the bread. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cube it.
Like $400.
We chillin' and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
I'm gonna add some pecans to this right now. Alright, so I'm just gonna lightly layer these with the bread. I'll go through the list again, but I will put it onto the screen as well. You need 1 large loaf, good quality, of either a French loaf, a sourdough, ciabatta, or challah bread, enough to yield 10 cups of chunks of bread. You need ½ a cup of chopped pecans. That's optional, of course. If someone has an allergy, you don't have to actually add nuts. You need 5 large eggs, or you can use 3. We'll let you know how it turns out. 1½ cups of whole milk, or whichever milk you prefer. 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. A zest from 1 medium orange, but that's also optional. We're not going to use that. ½ a teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. But I actually, the salt goes into the topping. Here's your wet mixture. We're just gonna pour this onto the bread.
Dance, have a good time, dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready?
This doesn't say to do this, but I'm just going to just kind of get it all covered with the mixture. We don't have 5 eggs.
Yeah, Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas.
So you'll bake this for 35 to 45 minutes at 375.
And having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family.
So now I'm gonna put this in the oven and bake for 35 to 45 minutes at 375. Oh yeah?
Yeah, so I'm thinking of going to GameStop because it's less. So I can save money.
This also calls for a drizzle, and the drizzle includes melted butter with brown sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. So we'll make that once it's just about ready to come out of the oven. Alright, so Daddy's over here making the meat. Put this in the oven. Breakfast is almost ready. So for the drizzle for the French toast casserole, we'll need 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. That'll be melted, 3 tablespoons of dark brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. So we're gonna go ahead and get that together now. And 4 tablespoons of butter is, if you get those little half sticks, it's 1 actual half stick. But this was a whole stick that I just cut, but it shows you that it's 4 tablespoons on here. So we're gonna go ahead and place this in a bowl and mix it up. Before we mix it, obviously we're going to stick it in the microwave and allow it to melt just a little bit. It does not say to allow it to sit until room temperature, so it's good to go into the microwave.
All the windows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Here's the French toast casserole outside of the oven. And I'm just going to add the drizzle. I guess the dish was a little too deep, but we could have added some more bread. But because we're so limited, because it's Christmas morning, couldn't run out and get more. But it's fine.
Merry Christmas! Ho, ho, ho. Hope you guys Merry Christmas.
Amen.